The more and more we pore over the evidence of an extreme Earth wobble, the more and more and the more intense the situation becomes. The Earth is definitely in a very uneven wobble. And where will this carry us? Will this carry us into a crustal shift? Well, we're more than 25% of the way there now. The Earth has an inclination of 23.5 degrees. I wholeheartedly believe that we have definitely surpassed that. Instead of a circular path, the Earth's axis is wobbling more and more, widening its path every year. The green dots signify this year, 2016. So you can clearly see that over the months during this year, this inclination has gotten bigger and bigger. And if you take a look back at 2015, you will see that our tilt has actually gotten worse. Is this imaginary? No, I'm afraid not. I actually wish that it was. But viewing the models that you see on your screen clearly show the differences between 2015 and 2016. And as you can see by the red circles going through the blue dots and the green dots on your screen to the model to the right, it is clearly showing you from May of 2013, 14, 15, and into May of 2016, our wobble has gotten much worse. Something is literally pulling on our magnetic North Pole. It is causing the Earth to experience an extreme wobble. When you're viewing this model, you will clearly see this is taking effect. Does it mean that our magnetic pole shift is imminent? I believe so. Does that also mean that we will undergo a crustal shift? Well, if that does occur, folks, we're in a lot of trouble. And as things have been occurring over this past year of 2016, we have experienced an extreme wobble. You are not hearing a lot about it in the mainstream media, the news, astronomers, the governments, geologists, people in the weather. No one is actually talking about it. But the data is there. If you watched the previous videos, you can clearly see that the data is not lying. And I think it's time for all of us to start preparing for this type of situation. Because someday soon, sooner than you think, you may be looking at a different view of our planet Earth. A view that you've never seen before, that no one on the face of this earth has ever seen before. And yes, there is a high possibility that Arctic regions of this planet soon turn into tropical paradises of which we've never seen in this lifetime. I'd like to thank all of our Nibiru watchers. You guys do a fantastic job. Would also like to thank you for your loyal subscribership. You can continue to email your photographs and your video to NibiruPlanetX2016@gmail.com. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family members on Facebook. And subscribe to the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And like I always say, keep an eye in the sky.